So the first thing I do is to open the blinds and open all the windows in the house just to get some nice fresh air inside. And after that, I will just tidy up my bed and be ready for a nice chill day. I'm gonna head downstairs to make a nice warm cup of tea. I was in a mood for a nice cozy warm drink. So today's flavor, it was vanilla and fig. This is very nice. And my mug is from George Asda, guys, for anybody who's asking. They've got amazing Halloween and autumnal mugs, decorative stuff. So it's very nice to go and check.
So today is the perfect day to do a fall reset. I'm off work today, the weather is gloomy, it's so windy outside, so I think it's the perfect timing to organize my life. You know how much I love that. At least once a week, I really like to organize everything. So today we will do some meal prep. Of course, I'm planning to organize and clean the fridge because at this stage it looks insane. And of course, you know how life is. All of us, we're in the same boat. Life is busy, so of course there are some dishes inside the sink that I haven't washed since last night. No judgment here, we keep it real. I need to do some washing, I need to clean the bathroom, and after that I think it's the perfect timing to do like a full shower routine. I'm so excited, guys. I bought a new pair of pajamas, so I cannot wait for this feeling after doing a full shower routine, wearing like a new fresh clean pair of pajamas and have a nice pampering routine at the same time. So yeah, let's start tidying up and doing some cleaning. So guys, this is what we are dealing with. As you can tell, a lot of dishes in the sink, a lot of things to put back because they are dry, and to clean everything here. So let's do that.
And this is the final result. It looks amazing. It makes me so happy to see the kitchen so clean, nice and tidy and organized. So I'm ready for the rest. So now I'm going to organize and clean the fridge. I haven't done that for a while. So I'm using water and apple cider vinegar. I just put it in a spray bottle myself, and then I will spray everything.
So this is the current situation. I mean, it's not ideal, but as I said, we keep it real in this channel, guys. So the fridge was so messy because we went for grocery shopping and I just chucked everything in the fridge. I didn't even have time to tidy up. So what I did now, I just cleaned the fridge with apple cider vinegar and water, and I will let it sit for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna wipe it with a cloth and then tidy up. In the meantime, I'm not gonna show you that. I will double check if everything is alright or anything I need to put in the fridge. For example, definitely I need to wash and chop the dill so we have it prepared. One thing I really hate is food waste, so I really try my best to put things in the freezer, tidy up, have everything like up to date. For example, the beetroots, if I have, I don't know, different dates, I would always put on top the ones we need to finish straight away.
I'm gonna just wipe all the surfaces. I'm gonna clean the dust. I don't know about you guys, but I feel in London it gets very easily so dusty. So I need to do it more often. So I'm just gonna clean the coffee table. And I'm just gonna mop the wooden floor. I just use the Method wooden floor cleaner. It's very nice and it has a very mild scent. And then I'm going upstairs to clean the windows and just do a little bit the dust where I keep all the books. And I just did some meal prep for the next 2 days. I made a Greek dish. It's called Spanakorizo. Basically is spinach, rice, dill, salt and pepper, olive oil and tons of lemon. It's very easy, very filling. So we will have that for the next couple of days. We're gonna head on to the shower. We're gonna have a nice shower first. I'm using the Yognog by Lush, and then I'm gonna follow up with a scrub. This is from Body Shop, the limited edition sugar pumpkin scrub. It smells amazing, like pumpkin cookies, so it's the perfect combo with the Lush shower gel. And then for my hair, I will use the apple cider vinegar shampoo by OGX. This is very nice if you want like a clarifying shampoo. And my usual Pantene Lift and Volume conditioner. I showed you in a previous video as well. This is very nice. And then when I feel fancy, I might use the glycolic gloss for my ends. So now that the skin is so clean, I'm gonna run a bath. I'm gonna use a nice bar from Lush, and I've got from L'Occitane the almond milky bath, which is very nice combo. And then I'm gonna light up my candles, bring a book, and just take the time to relax and spend the rest of my day just to chill and relax. I'm gonna do my skincare. I'm gonna keep it very simple as always, just my lovely rosehip oil to hydrate my skin. And then fresh pajamas and the end of the night. I'm gonna light up a candle and then just finish up with my book. And that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe and drop any comments for any ideas, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.